Alright then, just taking a quick look at Avalanche or Avax on the daily time frame. As we can see, looking really strong recently. It looks as though a lot of demand is being driven for this token. It's looking very similar to Solana actually. I think there's quite a lot of meme coin seasoning, could you say that? Seasoning, little salt and pepper. A lot of meme coin seasoning going on at the minute. On Solana particularly, but I think also Avax is getting a bit of kickback for this as well. Some of these larger Ethereum competitors are seeing some decent price action right now. Their ecosystem's obviously starting to blow up and do really well. You can see from a technical perspective, very simply really, just obviously you've got your Fibonacci pulled from the high to the low. Very simple stuff. Bear market resistance as well. Those are your two major things that you need to be looking for really, and then you're just waiting for your bull market, aren't you? We've got that pick up off the low, we came up, we touched the bear market resistance, we break through, we smashed the 0.38, the 0.50 without any resistance at all by the looks of things in this more local area here over the past few months. We obviously get up to our 618 Fibonacci hit at around $50. This is where you think, if you start, in my opinion anyway, when you flip the 618 you go from bear market to bull market. That's a big pivot point for loads of markets, that magical 618 Fibonacci level. And you can see here, for Avalanche, you're basically just looking and waiting for that pullback. We come down, we get a bit of a retracement. We obviously touch the 0.50, get a bounce, but then we retrace further with Bitcoin retracing. We come down with a perfect test of the 100 moving average. As you can see, perfect test. We come back up into the structure, back test of our 0.50 again at around $35. And then you can see here, two big, massive green candles smashing through the 618. And then obviously the nice little back test, and now another swing high today at around $63 for Avalanche, looking like it's heading up. Really not that much resistance if you can clear this local area here. As you can see, there's a little bit of previous structure in this area here, but no major levels that you'd be looking at apart from obviously your 0.78 Fibonacci at around $79, and then you're looking up towards that fabled $100 level for Avalanche, which was a big psychological target for Avalanche, which will need to be reached going into the bull market. Obviously we are looking like we're in the bull market now, just entering the middle stages of the bull market where everyone realizes the bull market's actually happening and everyone starts to pile in with Bitcoin at all-time highs, etc. Really, we're just waiting for some fireworks in the markets going forward. But you can see here, Avalanche, once it gets up towards $100 here, we'll probably see a bit of chop like this, going sideways for a while and then heading upwards with the bull market starting proper up through your Fibonacci levels. I think for Avalanche, being as though its market cap is quite a lot smaller than Solana's, you could easily see it coming up, doing maybe 5, maybe even 10x of its all-time high. Heading upwards here into anywhere from $500 to $1,000, I think, is probably fairly likely for Avalanche with the demand that we're probably going to see. Obviously, Ethereum gas prices are absolutely ridiculous right now. People are basically being priced out of the market and are unable to transact because it's so insane. It's not like you can buy like $10 of a meme coin on Ethereum when the gas price is like $150. It's just not acceptable basically for most people to do. Obviously Avalanche and Solana have much lower fees, although they are starting to ramp up as well, so it'll be interesting to see how all this shakes out. But in terms of technicals, this thing's looking great, and fundamentals wise I think it's going to come good more and more, obviously, with Ethereum until they finally sort their damn transaction fees out. But yeah, let's see what we can do going into the bull.